Okay, in this video we're going to be doing the oxidase test, and we are going to be using by Hardy Diagnostics their OxyDrop reagent. The oxidase test is mainly used for separating members of Enterobacteriaceae from non-Enterobacteriaceae, mainly Pseudomonas. These are our gram-negative rods. It's also routinely used in the workup for Neisseria and Moraxella species. Okay, so to run this test, it's pretty simple. It's a rapid test. We're just going to take a piece of filter paper and put it on just a regular slide, nothing special about it, and I just cut that filter paper up. And I'm going to go ahead and just take one drop of reagent and drop it on there. Alright, now the organisms that we're going to use, I'm going to use, really you could use any member of Enterobacteriaceae. I'm going to use Klebsiella pneumoniae. For my negative control, my positive control is going to be Pseudomonas aeruginosa, which is not a member of Enterobacteriaceae. Now the manufacturer recommends that these colonies be around 18 to 24 hours old, and that you're not taking them off selective differential plates, especially differential plates, because when you're working with gram-negative rods, the differential plates oftentimes rely on lactose fermentation or not, and the result is a change in the color. And this oxidase test, the positive reaction is based on a color change, so it's probably not a good combination to be taking colonies off a plate that are already not, are already some kind of color, and then putting them on, in the test, and then, trying to interpret the color change. So anyway, let's go on here, and I will start with my Klebsiella. Now, once I get this on there, once I smear it on, I'm just using a stick, and I'm going to smear a bunch on here, and you have to read it within 20 seconds. Now, if you have a positive reaction, usually it's going to be within the first 10 to 20 seconds. But it is important that you make your decision at 20 seconds and not over. Okay, got about 5 seconds left here. I can see it's, kind of getting there's a little color change, but that's not a positive. And I think once you go ahead and you see the true positive, which I will do now, the Pseudomonas aeruginosa, you'll see what a true positive looks like. Okay, so that, even within the first 5 seconds, is, turning up positive. And now on the top, the Klebsiella, you can see how as I let it sit longer on there, it does eventually turn blue, and so that's why it's important to make the decision about whether it's positive or negative, within that 20-second time frame.